Fairness! Ang ganda niya! Hey guys, what's up? Kate here. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, we'll be doing a first impression review sa bagong product ni Ever Bilena. Itong product na to, available lang siya. Online lang. But, I got it in the package and then may kasama rin siyang paper bag. Why don't we go ahead and open this? Ito yung product. As you guys can see, super secured na. Okay. Kaya pala super secured na kasi I can see from the bubble wraps na wala siyang box. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Ta-da! But this is... Ooh. So, this is how the liquid foundation looks like. This is the all-day liquid foundation. It's a matte black. This foundation cost 195 pesos. And as you guys can see, pump siya. Kahit tube yung packaging niya, which is great. And I got the shade Porcelain. Sabi dito, get skin that looks flawless at every angle with EB All-Day Liquid Foundation. Helps even out skin tone, conceals blemishes, while providing hydration without the greasy feel. So, we need that. I have combo skin. Dito, T-zone ko, oily ako. Dito, sakto lang, normal. Dito sa pinaka-tip ng nose ko, minsan dry siya. And sabi niya, shake well before using. So, they have in total 4 shades. Konti lang selection nila. I'm hoping na dagdagan nila someday. 12 months yung expiration once you opened it. And then, here it says 35 grams. Let's see, may paraben ba? Wala. I don't think it has. If you guys are concerned sa ingredient na paraben, this doesn't have it. Okay, yan siya. Let's open this. Oh, okay. So, why don't we go ahead and pump some? Pumapayat siya as yung hangin niya lumalabas. Anytime soon now. Oh, okay. That's how it looks like. Dagdagan pa natin 3 pumps, I guess. So far, initial is medyo parang thick yung consistency niya. Okay, medyo thick nga. You guys can see that. Oh, I feel like medyo maputi siya sa akin. Okay, so why do we go ahead and apply this? Oh, may amoy din siya. Amoy siyang lotion. Yeah. So I'm gonna use a sponge on this side and a brush on the other side. Pero try ko munang i-apply ito on my chin using my fingers. Tingnan lang natin kung anong klaseng consistency. But, tingnan ko lang Tingnan lang maputi ito sa akin, guys. Okay siya with fingers. Nabiblend siyang maigi. And I feel like it has a medium coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this side of my face using a sponge. Itong sponge na to, kuha ko from Miniso. Okay. So gusto ko siya kasi meron siyang lalagyanan na ganito. So pag nasa table siya, hindi ka na magsa-struggle na maghanap kung saan mo ilalagay yung sponge na basa. Okay. So I'm gonna quickly blend this into my skin. May talaga siyang lotion. Fairness! Ang ganda niya! Ayan. 1 layer. Tatakpan niya yung mga iba kong blemishes. Ang ganda niyang tingnan in person. It's not cakey tingnan. Although, yung 3 pump na ginawa natin, pati na lang yung natira. Magpa-pump ulit ako kasi kulang na siya. Pang-4 na pump na. Ayan. May laman ba ito? Parang nasa dulo lahat ng laman niya. Squeeze ko lang siya sa dulo. Okay, now that's too much. Pero, carry lang. Now, I'm gonna use a paddle brush. Ooh, look at that. Pag talagang brush yung gamit mo, mas full coverage. And full coverage siya, guys. In person, why do I feel like it's my shade? Hindi siya maputi. Nag-go ako sa dahil siya ng konti. Kanina kasi parang feeling ko puti-puti niya. Ngayon parang blended siya. Perfect match sa aking skin. Ganyan din, oh. At ang ganda niyang tignan. Anyway. Okay, I'm just gonna blend it all together. Gusto ko tong brush na to. It's perfect for concealer or for contour, highlight. So I'm just gonna use this foundation as my concealer dito kasi guys, kulang tayo sa tulog. Kahit ang haba na ng tulog ko ngayon. Yan. Itong ganda na. I love it. I love it. By the way, di ko pa na-mention, wala akong any product sa aking face, even moisturizer, wala ako. So, fresh from the shower, and then nag-ready lang ako to film, and then apply ko lang siya. So, dahil sobra-sobra ang ating pinump, i-build up ko lang yung dito. Kasi yung mga pimple marks ko, using this brush, I'm just gonna buff it in. Tingnan natin kung mabibuild natin ang coverage. Ayan. Guys, ang ganda niya, promise. In love na ako.
Tama, in love ako sa'yo. Kaya ko pati.
No, oh, meron pa ako dito. Yeah. So, para lang seamless tignan. Don't forget to blend it there. Kunting chuba-chuba lang naman. Okay! Now we look good. I really love it. So, hintayin ko lang siyang mag-set. Actually, nagsiset na siya and it's matte. It's not really dry na matte. Sa camera, may pagka-dumi siya ng konti. So, this is how it looks like. Ganda, guys. Ang ganda niya. Anyway, medyo dry nga yung nose ko ng konti dito, pero wala pa siyang flake here or anything, so which is good. So, I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with my makeup. I'm gonna put on some blush, some lipstick, a bit of contour probably, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. It is currently, let's check. Nasa ko mo ng phone ko kasi I believe madami siyang fingerprints, so yeah. But it's currently 3:39. Medyo late na of the day. Tignan natin kung all day talaga siya hanggang mamayang gabi. But so far, it's really good. The only problem that I had, kasi gumamit ako ng contour stick from Maybelline, ito. And nung binablend ko siya with the sponge, napansin ko lang na na-lift niya ng konti yung hindi pa ata masyado na-blend. Na-lift niya ng konti yung foundation. So, what I did is I used a brush para lang i-blend niya. And ito yung ginamit ko doon, which I think is better than the sponge. I'll check back to you guys later. Pero bigyan ko lang kayo ng overview kasi super ganda talaga niya. Ayan. Oh, by the way, try natin pala ng flash. I'm gonna insert the picture. So, yeah. I just changed my top. And I would just like to introduce your puppy. This is baby Sky right here. Oh. No, there's foundation. Don't eat it. He's very sweet ngayon. Just now. Kasi, hindi ko alam, naantok siguro. Yan siya, oh. So, he is a Maltese. He's already, I think, 7 months old. Nakuha namin siya nung 3 months siya. So, ayun siya. Ayan. Tingnan niyo siya. By the way, if you guys are wondering, it is now 4:08. So, hindi pa ganun ka-late yung update ako nung una. Okay, so, yeah. Hey guys, I'm back for an update. It is now 9:26 in the evening. So, nandito ako sa sala namin ngayon. Probably less than 6 hours has already passed. And this is the status. What the foundation looks like on my face. So, you guys can definitely tell. No, oily na ako. There's the shine. I still have the highlight though. But yeah, I'm very oily. Especially here on the T-zone. And dito sa aking cheeks. Very oily. The blush is still there. The contour still there. Nag-sneeze ako like sunod-sunod tapos sinipon ako. Medyo nag-fade yung foundation dito ng konti. Just a bit. I have a blotting sheet right here. Oil control film from Body Tree. Gusto ko lang to kasi meron siyang parang tape dun sa flip niya. So, mas madaling kumuha. So, ito, ang hindi pa gamit. Blot na natin siya. Tada! Yan, noo pa lang. Yan o, nagta-transparent na siya. Puno na agad. So, gawin ko muna yung half ng face. Dito, hindi siya oily o. Minsan hinaan ko din yung eyelids ko. But, ayan. O, diba? See, nandiyan pa rin yung highlight. But compared to this side, ito parang healthy glow na lang. Ito oily. So, we're gonna blot this side as well. So, ayan ang ating blotting sheet. Okay na, I'm good to go. Although natatempt akong mag-powder, pero hindi muna para makita natin yung longevity ng foundation. But so far, nandito pa din siya. Yung napansin ko lang na nag-fade is yung nandito. And then, dito konti sa aking under eye. So, iba pa rin pag may concealer. But, napansin ko, throughout the day, hindi siya nag-ano. Kasi madalas, meron kasi akong line dito sa ilalim ng aking mata. Para siyang, I don't know, sa eye bags. So, madalas mga concealers or foundations, sumisiksik dun. Sa kanya, hindi ko na-experience yon, which is good. And then, yeah, I think this foundation is a good match para sa akin. Hindi siya maputi. Kasi, honestly, my face is darker than my neck. So, madalas, sinusundan ko yung color ng aking neck sa face. Right now, it is 9:33. Lalabas pa kami ng aking mga titas. Titreat ko sila sa batirol. Sorry if you're hearing dogs barking. Pag ganito ng oras, I don't know ba't ang ingay-ingay nila. But, okay you guys, I am back for the last update. It is now, let's see, I'm so tired, but it is now 12:02 a.m. So 9 hours has already passed. And this is how our foundation looks like. I excuse my eyelashes, they look crazy now because I'm trying out new ones. And so far, I have mixed feelings para sa eyelashes. But anywho, let's focus on foundation. So this is how it looks like. Blush, it's still there. A hint na lang siguro. And then my contour, nandyan pa din naman siya. Dahil nag-oil na ng konti yun dito, napapansin ko medyo namumuo. Ng konting-konti lang yung foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and blot my face ulit one last time before I do my final thoughts. So I'm gonna quickly use some powder. Yeah, I'm just gonna take my Detail Makeover na Mineral Press Powder. This is what I've been using lately. And okay lang siya. Nothing special, but it does do the job. Yeah, okay, so this is how it looks like. I'll do my final thoughts now. I would give this 9 out of 10 stars. I really like it. The only downside is konti lang yung shade range niya. Yung feel niya sa face, it's not as heavy. Hindi siya super heavy na gusto mo na alisin agad. Pero hindi rin siya lightweight na you don't feel like you're wearing anything. Yung scent niya, feeling ko talaga amoy siyang lotion. But once you blend it on your face, hindi mo na siya maamoy. And then the coverage, it's buildable. It's medium to full coverage. And super bongga niya. Ito yung local foundation na nagugustuhan ko so far. Depende rin kung saan ka nag-stay. Ako, lumabas ako kanina. Napansin ko, agad ako nag-oil up. So, using a primer would help. Also, setting it with a powder or baking. Yun, makakatulong. Feeling ko, I can probably wear this for 5 hours straight and not having to blot my face if nag-prime ako and nag-set. This retails for 195 pesos. It is only available online. Nabili ko siya kay Lazada. As you can tell, I really like it. I will continue using this, especially sa pag-videos and events. Kasi ang ganda niya sa skin. For the price, I think this is worth it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if nagustuhan niyo siya. And leave a comment down below if na-try niyo na itong product na to. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click that bell button down below to be notified whenever I upload videos. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. And bye!